Civil Service Exam, word problem number 22. So tungkol ito sa mixture problem. 15 liters of mixture contains alcohol and water in the ratio 1:4. If 3 liters of water is mixed in it, the percentage of alcohol in the new mixture will be, so in percentage na ito, 15, 16 and 2/3, 17, or 18 and 1/2. So isosolve natin ito in 3 ways. So bago nga pala ang lahat, ang question na ito ay nanggaling sa FB group na mathematics. So yan, galing sa FB page yata ito, educational tutor. Okay, so sasagutan natin ito in 3 ways. Okay, so yan. So unang gagamitin nating method, yung traditional na method. Ano ba yung unang method ng mixture problem? Ito yung traditional. So we have C1V1 plus C2V2 is equal to pwedeng C3V3 or pwede CV na lang. Ito na yung combination nitong dalawa. Okay, so yan yung first na gagamitin natin. So ang gagamitin natin na percentage ay alcohol kasi yun yung nakalagay sa problem. 15 liters of mixture contains alcohol and water in the ratio 1:4. Ibig sabihin 1 yung alcohol dahil yun yung nauna dito. Alcohol and water. So itong 4, ito yung water. Okay? So if 3 liters of water is mixed in it, the percentage of alcohol in the new mixture will be, so ito yung hinahanap natin, concentration ng new mixture. So alcohol ang kukuhanin natin na percentage ay yung alcohol. So ilagay lang natin dito. So ito yung percentage and then we have liters. So yung first row natin para sa percentage tsaka yung liters. So ang unang given natin, 15 liters of mixture contains alcohol and water. So 15% or 15 liters yung hindi natin nakalagay yung percentage kundi ratio ang nakalagay 1:4. So para makuha natin yung percentage niyang 1:4, so kunin lang natin yung alcohol over the total. Ang total ng 1:4, total niyan ay 5. So therefore, ang percentage niyan ay 1 divided by 5. Pag dinivide natin yan, 1 divided by 5, that is equal to 20% yung kakalabasan niyan. Pero hindi na natin kailangan ilagay yung percent kasi nakalagay na dito sa table natin in percent na yan. So pag dinivide natin, so we have, lagyan tayo ng dalawang 0. So we have 10 divided by 5. So lagyan lang natin 0 dito dahil 1 divided by 5 hindi pwede. 10 divided by 5, that is 2. 2 times 5, we have 10. So lagyan na lang natin yung 0 dito. 0.20 or that is 20%. So pwede pala natin gamitin percent, pwede namang fraction lang din. 20 or pwede na lang gamitin natin 1/5. Pwede yan, 1/5. Pag in terms of fraction. Itong 20 dito in terms of percent. Okay? And then, ano yung ihahalo natin? Yung next dito, 3 liters of water is mixed. So dito sa liters, magdadagdag daw tayo ng 3 liters of water. So kung 3 liters of water, pure yan, ibig sabihin, ilan yung percent ng alcohol kapag nagdagdag tayo ng 3 liters of water, yung percent ng alcohol dito ay 0. Okay? So tapos itong combination na nila, 20% dinagdagan ng 0% na alcohol, ito yung hinahanap natin. What is the percentage? Percentage of alcohol in the new mixture. Ito na yung new mixture, itong CV. So ito yung hinahanap natin, X. Itong V dito, yung total, 15 plus 3. So we have 18. Okay, so yan ang magiging magiging equation natin, i-substitute lang natin C1V1. So we have 20 times 15 plus C2V2. So we have 0 times 3. So 0 times 3 equals product nito CV. So x times 18, baligtarin na natin, gawin na nating 18x. Then just solve for x. So itong 0 times 3, pwede nang tanggalin yan. 0 na kasi yan. So we have 20 times 15. So pwede siguro hindi na i-multiply ito. I-divide na lang natin diretso sa 18. Pero anyway, madali naman. So 20 times 15. Kung 2 times 15, that is 30. May 0 pa. So we have 300 is equal to 18x. Then solve for x, divide both sides by 18. Okay? So divide both sides by 18. So yan yung magiging answer natin. Manually lang natin gawin. 300 divided by 18. Kung gusto niyo, pwede niyo palang i-lowest term ito para mas mapababa, 300 over 18. Or kung hindi nyo napansin na i-lowest term, idiretso nyo lang 300 divided by 18. Kung napansin nyo naman na pwedeng i-divide ito sa 3, pag dinivide sa 3, magiging ano na lang kasi ito. Divided by 3, 100. Divided by 3 ay 6. Para mas maikli. Okay? Mas maliit yung number natin. 100 na lang siya divided by 6. So 10 divided by 6, that will be equal to 1. 1 times 6, that is 6. Subtract 10 minus 6, we have 4. Bring down 0. 40 divided by 6 is 6. 6 times 6, so we have 36, or remainder of 4. Therefore, the concentration or percentage of alcohol is 16, and then the remainder 4 over the divisor 6. 16 and 4 over 6, lowest term of 4 over 6, divide both by 2. Therefore, the final answer is 16 and 2/3, which is letter B. Kung hindi nyo napansin, dinivide nyo 300 over 18, same answer din yan, ilo-lowest term 16 and 2/3 din ang kakalabasan. Okay, so yan ang unang solution natin. Yan yung traditional C1V1 plus C2V2 equals CV. And then, pangalawa namang solution natin, yung alligation method. So yung nabuo kong formula para sa alligation method, kailangan i-arrange natin siya ng ganitong form. Percentage, tapos ito yung liters. Naka-arrange siya ng A, B, C. Tapos dito yung XY such that B is greater than A dapat. Okay? Itong B greater than A. So ang magiging formula natin kapag nasa ganitong form ay B minus C, B minus C over C minus A is equal to X over Y. Okay, so i-arrange lang natin sa ganitong form dapat. So ano ba yung paghahaluin natin? Ano yung paghahaluin natin? So 0%, di ba? 0% yung water. So dito natin ilalagay yung 0% na water dito. Yan, 0. Tapos kanina, na-solve na natin itong 1:4. Ang percentage niyan ay 20%. So dito natin ilalagay yung 20% kasi dapat naka-arrange siya B greater than A. Tapos itong C, ito yung sinusolve natin, ito yung X. And then itong X, kung ilan yung liters nung 0% na water. Ito yan, 3 liters of water. So dito natin ilalagay yung 3 liters. And then itong nandito naman sa tapat, 20%, ito yung 15 liters. Okay? So gamit itong formula na to, we have 20 minus X. So we have 20 minus X over X minus 0. So X minus 0, or pwedeng X na lang yan, equals 3 over 15. So yan yung alligation method. So solve for X na lang tayo. Cross multiply. Itong 0, pwedeng tanggalin na yan. So cross multiply lang tayo. Okay? 15 times 20 minus X is equal to 3 times X. So we have 3X. Distribute. 15 times 2, that is equal to 30. So may 0 pa. So 300 minus 15 times X. So we have 15X is equal to 3X. So lahat divisible by 3 para mas madali i-divide natin lahat. 315 and 3, pwedeng i-divide both sides sa 3 para mas mapalit natin yung number. 300 divided by 3 is 100 minus 15 divided by 3, that is 5x is equal to x na lang ito. And then pagsamahin itong dalawa dito sa kabila, so add 5x to both sides. So ayan, same answer na tayo. So we have 100 is equal to x plus 5x. We have 6x, and then divide both sides by 6. So na-divide na natin kanina manually. Therefore, the answer is 100 divided by 6. That is 16 and 2/3. Hindi na kailangan lagyan ng percent dahil automatic percent na ito. Okay? So 16 and 2/3, letter B. Okay, so last solution. Pwede pa rin ito yung gamitin natin. Another solution. Kunin lang natin yung ratio niya, 15 liters daw, and then we have alcohol and water sa ratio na 1:4. So pwedeng isulat lang natin yung alcohol and then yung water content. Ang alcohol and water daw ay 1:4. Tapos ang total ay 15 liters. So 15 liters daw yung total. So kailangan alamin natin saan natin i-multiply itong 1 and 4 para maging total nito ay 15 liters. So para makuha yon, i-add lang natin 1 plus 4, that is equal to 5. And then i-divide lang natin dito sa total na 15 liters. So 15 divided by 5, that is equal to 3. So yung 3, yun yung i-multiply natin dito sa 1 and 4. So 1 times 3 is equal to 3. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. So therefore, ang alcohol natin ay 3 liters, ang water naman ay 12 liters. So tapos, 3 liters of water daw is mix. Mag-add tayo sa water lang. So 100% water yon, so wala tayong i-add sa alcohol. So ngayon, kunin natin para makuha yung percentage of alcohol. Percentage of alcohol, ang gagawin lang natin ay ilan ba yung alcohol content divided by the total. Imbis na divided by water, divided by natin sa total. So ilan ang alcohol natin? Ito yung hindi pa dinadagdagan, ang alcohol natin content ay 3 liters over ang total natin ay 3 plus 12. So that is equal to 15 yung total. So ngayon, idagdag natin itong 3 liters. Yung 3 liters of water is mixed. Ayan, 3 liters of water is mixed. Ilan ba yung percentage nung alcohol doon? Ilan yung part ng alcohol doon sa 3 liters of water? Water nga, di ba? Walang water lang siya. Ibig sabihin, walang alcohol. So therefore, i-add lang natin yung 3 dito sa total kasi wala nga siyang content ng alcohol. So therefore, ang percentage na niya ay 3 over 15 plus 3, that is equal to 18. So kailangan lang natin i-convert ang 3 over 18 sa percent. So divide lang natin both by 3 dahil divisible pareha sa 3. Divide by 3 pareha. So therefore, we have 1 over 6. So 1 over 6, i-convert natin sa percent ang 1 over 6. Kailangan maging percent. So gawin nating ratio and proportion na lang. Gawin nating 100 ang denominator. Ang numerator natin ay let's say x. Then just solve for x. To solve for x, multiply both sides by 100. We have 100 over 6, yan na yung x. At same answer tayo, 100 over 6 pa rin yung lumabas. So therefore, that is 16 and 2/3%. Letter B pa rin yung sagot natin. Okay, so that's it. So I hope nagustuhan nyo ang tatlong explanation ko para sa mixture problem. So thank you for watching and kita-kita tayo sa marami pang mga math reviewer para sa civil service. So yung mga shortcut natin, ayan. So kung first time nyo sa channel ko, huwag kakalimutang mag-subscribe. So good luck sa lahat na nagre-review. Bye-bye and God bless.